as educators do, because what you don't want to do is have a kid receive from Flint, Michigan, receive such a drastically different educational experience from a kid in, say, Cumberland, Wisconsin, right? That when they interact together, say in college or even in a professional space later on in life, there's such a drastic difference that they can't function together. Is that just, you good?
But you just blew my mind. You literally just blew my mind, because that is where we are as a country. None of these kids have been taught to function together. People have not been taught to function together as a unit.
And so would you change the standard itself, or do you teach different methods for getting to that standard? You know what I mean? So like I keep using Flint, Michigan and Cumberland, Wisconsin, because they're drastically different areas, right?
Very.
But you both want them to perform on the same level. So do you have different standards, or you want them to both be able to interact, so you keep the standard the same, but then in your teacher education program, you go to that teacher and be like, hey, you're going to be in Flint, Michigan. Through all of our studies and all of our analysis, here's the toolbox you need. Here are the things you need to do to get your student to this level. And then you go over to the teacher that's going to be in Cumberland, Wisconsin, and you make sure that they've got all the tools they need, and they might not be the same, right? Then you've got, and the thing is that you're always going to have differences, but you need to have some sort of commonality there, to get kids to the same standard, right?